Obviously, science fiction doesn't require actually implementing the technology, it just requires imagining what it might do. The exciting thing is it's starting to become true. The technologies that we use that we've needed all these decades to create the Star Trek computer, which is basically speech recognition, turning sound into text, understanding natural language, automatically answering questions, generating text that sounds natural. They've all been improving very slowly over the last few decades, and they suddenly, I think, in my opinion, they've just crossed a threshold point where they're genuinely useful. So when I talk with a human, there's a back and forth, there's all sorts of context we're using, personal context, things we've said before, things that are in the room. Most of the interactions with voice assistants now are like one shot. You ask something, it comes back, and there's not really any context. There's a little bit of context, but not very much. Privacy is a concern the market has. I think a lot of the privacy things are overblown, in my opinion. But some people are uncomfortable with the idea that voice is leaving your house and going up to the cloud when you speak. That's a market concern that needs addressing. The devices have crossed a threshold of usefulness. Echo's been massively successful. I still think it's very early though.